So last week, the health department put out an infographic called the Serious Six, and the mayor had put it out on his Instagram. And let me be clear. Number one, I don't think the mayor even knows about these infographics. It was put out by the health department, actually. He just posted it on his Instagram. I want to know who, though, from the health department put it out there. The Serious Six is household contacts, small gatherings and parties, bars, essential work sites, faith-based group activities, and weddings. And, what stuck out to me in this was weddings, because, I know they're full of shit. There haven't been weddings in Nashville, not at least with over 25 people. Hasn't been happening at all over 25 people. And they had just moved weddings from phase 2 to phase 3 when you could actually have over 25 people. So my question was, if you just made weddings legal, basically in the state or in Nashville, 10 days before, and your first weekend of weddings was that weekend, how then could you have got that data by Wednesday when you shut everything down? So basically you had a wedding on Saturday, and all these weddings on Saturday, and everybody from those weddings got tested on Monday, and the city had those results back by Wednesday. I'm calling bullshit. Show us the data. And sure enough, at the press conference, they bring this up. And you've got to listen closely to what they say, because you have to see what they lump in all together. Remember, you had the Serious Six. They lump certain things in together. And then something that's not on the infographic is brought up at 13% of the spread.
Contact tracing investigations have identified the following primary sources of spread. Roughly 1/5 of cases originate from household contact. Another 1/5 of cases are coming from non-essential workplaces. 16% come from the so-called community spread, including certain faith-based group activities, small gatherings and parties, and weddings. And 13% of cases come from domestic travel, and around 7% come from essential work sites, including construction, food production, and healthcare.
So my question is, why did you lump in small gatherings, faith-based group activities, and weddings? Why did you put them all together? Because on the infographic, this is the Serious Six. These are the Serious Six. But when they said 16%, all of these three things combined, that's misleading. What's the actual wedding numbers? What is it? It's like 1%? Is that why you're lumping them all together, because they're all actually so small? Why did you not put in this Serious Six infographic domestic travel, which was 13%, according to the mayor? And this is really what kind of seeds the distrust within, between the health department and the mayor's office and the community. Because as soon as we call bullshit, at least in the wedding industry, like, hey, there ain't no way. We have not been having weddings. You're attacking our industry. You basically had everybody shut down. Pretty much everybody's going to be going bankrupt or close to it in the next year. Completely wipe out an industry, and then you point your finger with your infographic on that industry? I got a problem with that. And maybe it wasn't on purpose. Maybe they just threw it in there, say, oh, we're going to put weddings in there because but they said Nashville. If you read the copy, it said Nashville. This is what's been causing the spread in Nashville. And I'm saying, if you really are sticking by that, show us the data.